Today we're going to talk about how to make money on TikTok with just 1,000 followers. If you are interested in learning more, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Financial Game, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share affiliate marketing opportunities, freelance opportunities, side hustles, and online jobs. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into this video. This is part 5 series that I'm doing, how to make money doing affiliate marketing without any money. So if you have not watched my previous videos right here, this is part 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in this video is a part 5. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the what we are gonna talk about today. Okay, so before we dive into this video, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing and how you can actually start earning money from home online and start building a passive income stream for yourself and your family, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. That's where I'm going to be sharing a little bit more details in regards to it. And then yeah, this is part 5. I started my TikTok account, a brand new TikTok account. So if you have not watched the other parts, I'm just gonna give you a little recap. So I started a new TikTok account on September 16th, and I've been implemented all the strategies that I have shared so far, and this is part 5. This is where we're gonna go ahead and take a look at I'm gonna answer as to how much money I have made, how many clicks have I had on my link, and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how to make money on TikTok with just 1K followers, or maybe less if the product or the product that you're promoting is good and it brings value to people. Maybe with just less followers you may actually get sales and being able to monetize your TikTok account without having over 10K followers, because that's when you can actually qualify for the creator fund. Okay, so like I said, this is an update, and I'm gonna tell you how much money I have made so far from September 16 all the way to September 28th. Okay, so it has been about 12 days around there. Okay, so what I'm using to keep track of links and audience and just to have data where I can rely on, it's Bitly. I will go ahead and leave the link to this website in the description below this video if you're interested in going checking it out. Bitly is basically a website where you can go and shorten your affiliate link, because most of the time the affiliate links that you get on ClickBank, because I'm using ClickBank for this specific case study. So for ClickBank, sometimes the links are quite long, so it is helpful to turn it into like a Bitly link, because it's shorter, and that way people, if you don't have a clickable link on your account on TikTok, people can actually, if they find value on the product that you're promoting, they can actually go and type the link on their search bar and find the product that you're promoting. And also how many days since I created my account. Like I said, it's been about 12 days now that I have had the account. The first day I did post about 12 videos, but from there on I've been posting only like 3 to 5 times. I should increase the amount, but sometimes it's kind of difficult, but with everything else that goes behind it. But then I'm gonna show you how many link clicks have I had on this account since I've posted since I started posting TikToks. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna show you the back office of my Bitly account, okay, in a little bit, and that way you can take a look at it. And then also how many sales have I had. And I wanted to include just a screenshot, but honestly I can just tell you right now how many sales have I had. And honestly, I have not had any sales, but take note, like I said, I'm doing this completely for free. I'm not driving any paid traffic. Like, I'm not doing any paid ads or anything like that. And so far I have only had about 3 link clicks on this product. Now what I can say is that it's probably gonna take time before I can make a sell, like I said, simply because I'm not doing an ad, and when you're not doing an ad, you're not targeting people who already have a background of purchasing on TikTok or purchasing online. You don't know any of that. You're just throwing content out just to different audiences and see which ones start picking up. And not only that, one thing I can say, the account has only been up for 12 days, and I guess you also need to create that rapport between you and the audience. For instance, for me, it would be my TikTok account. I have to create sort of the trust and the in my audience before they can actually make a purchase, and I think it's scientifically proven that people have to look at something for, I don't know, I think they said 12 times or 11 times before they even attempt to make a purchase. So yeah, that goes into play a lot when it comes to getting customers and creating a sale. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the back office of my Bitly account, so you can see that I've only had 3 link clicks. Okay, so we're here at the back office of my Bitly account. I do have other products that I am promoting, but here, this one, it's brain training for dogs. Okay, and you can see right here on the 17th, it shows I had 2 clicks, and on the 18th I had 1 click, and then from there I had not had any other clicks from there. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it's not a lot to share so far. And like I said, this is a case study that I'm doing. It doesn't really right now I don't have a prediction. I can make a prediction or have my hypothesis about this, but I'm not sure how it's gonna go, if it's gonna take months before I have a sale, or it's just gonna take another week, and it can be different for different people. Like, for instance, depending on the demand of the product that you're promoting, and depending on if it's super valuable to people that see your content, then maybe the first time they see it, they're gonna click on your link, they're gonna read what you have, the information you have there, and then if it's valuable to them, then they're just gonna go ahead and make a purchase. But at this point, this is what I have. Like I said, this is a case study that I'm doing, and if you are not subscribed to my channel to follow along I'm gonna keep on giving updates, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload an update. And if you're not following us on TikTok, go ahead and make sure to follow us there. That way I can give you some more updates as they are showing up. But so far, this is what I have, and this is with you from my personal experience. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and leave in the end screen a playlist for other videos that I have posted so far. I'm gonna go ahead and leave those here in the end screen, and if you found value in this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also leave us your comments. That is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, and until next time.